Walmart. We're in Virginia! It's about to be like 4 states in like an hour.
I know, it's crazy.
I love it. That's a good song.
Such a good song.
Yeah. Okay, I ran out of gas in the middle of Virginia with Valora. We are stranded. The nice people let us, they said, stay as long as you need to get your help. But this freaking sucks. It's freezing out here. Gas cans at your, like, location? You don't? Okay, do you know, like, who in like the general area right here does? Okay. All right. Well, thank you. All right, guys. So I'm requesting an Uber right now. I didn't realize that I forgot to update my AAA, so they're not coming for free. So I got quoted at like $129 for them to come. So I think I'm just gonna try to Uber to Walmart and then a gas station and then come back here and put some gas in the. Oh, someone's coming.
All right.
Yeah. Right.
Totally.
That okay.
17 minutes.
Okay, 17 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, it's a 12.
It said 17 at first.
Okay. 12 minutes. All right.
That's better.
We got a guy coming. I'm gonna go get some gas and hopefully we'll get back on the road. This is not. We were literally driving and having a great time singing, and then I was like, oh no, we're almost out of gas. And in my mind, I was like, wow, I saved that because like we were almost, and then yeah. But hey, we're good. We're healthy. We're outside of someone's house. We walked to their house to ask, I mean, not to ask, just tell them we're stuck here. And he was the nicest old man he could have been. Yeah. Very, very nice. So, yeah, let's go get some gas. Okay, let's see if this turns on. Please work. Okay, I think we're good. All right, so we got the van going. We're back on the road. We have to go to Walmart because my heated blanket last night died. So now we have to get another one because it's gonna be 18 degrees tonight with a wind chill of 3 degrees. So we're gonna be freezing regardless, but we at least need a heated blanket. This is ridiculous. Is that the mix? It looks.
Yeah, that one's looking rough.
Looking a little rough. That's not gonna happen? They're all rough? Yeah. Dang. Okay. Grab that. Yep. Sound good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mushrooms and peppers?
Yeah.
All right, that was the most stressful. This day started off so whimsical, so full of whimsy, and it's been so stressful. We spent like 30 minutes in Walmart just trying to check out because my card got locked, I guess, because I don't know why my car got locked, but so anyways, we are out. We have our stuff. We have blankets, heated blanket, breakfast for tomorrow. Right now we're gonna go get some freaking fast food so we can go get into a campfire and get warm. Right?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Let's do that. So I'll see you guys when we get to the camp, even though it's dark now too, so this is a good day. It's a good day.
We're making it a good day.
We're making it a good day. We didn't get s'more stuff.
No.
We didn't get any s'more stuff.
No, that's half the reason I wanted the campfire.
I know. At this point,
I don't want to go back in there.
I'm not going. That Walmart from hell, we're not going back in there. Okay. We'll figure it out. All right, so we got to McDonald's. We are here at our campsite. Oh, it's super windy outside. We got a bundle of wood, and we're literally right next to the shower and bathroom. So, not complaining about that. But we're gonna eat some food, and then it's a bit windy. I think we're gonna still try to do a fire tonight, but I fell. But it is a bit windy, so I'll keep that in mind.
Come on, honey, we love you, we're not mad, and I guess we have some talking to do.
And, maybe just get
But we could.
Oh, temperature too low. Camera will start charging after battery is warmed up. I've never gotten that before. Look how cold it is, guys. That is just straight up ice. We had the heated blanket last night. I look insane. We had the heated blanket last night that I spent money on. Good, hard-earned American dollars. That thing did not work, man. Didn't work. It did not work. It was so much money it cost, and it didn't work. So I'm taking that back today and getting a new one because we need to be able to be warm.
I'm so glad we got 2 blankets.
We got 2. Yeah, thank God you decided to get the black one because, wow. It was freezing, and the heated blanket didn't work. So, yeah, but that was my bad for buying, I guess, a crap one. I don't know. So I'm going to go make a fire while Valora chills and gets warm. And then when Valora goes out to the fire, I'm going to come in here and make breakfast. So that's what we'll do. Last night was way too windy. And also, we were tired and exhausted. So that wasn't going to happen anyways. But, yeah. I'm gonna go make a fire, so please come join me. All right, so this is Lars's cat scratch toy. It's gotten quite worn and busted up. I was gonna get him a new one anyways. So I think I'm gonna use this for fire.
Nice.
You're supposed to be inside the van being comfortable. You can't be like nice.
I'm sorry.
Like,
I was just cuddling.
yep, Valora's inside, nice and toasty. Can't stop the pen, let's out the buzz, can't stop. Ever wonder if it's that song? What? Can't stop addicted to the shindig.
Oh, I do know that.
Come on. Come on, boy. You had me losing faith. I'm losing faith.
Because we can give it till noon, pay later than that, and it's like $10 up until 1 o'clock, and $20 up till 3 o'clock. You would just people let us know. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was sweet. Just barely. All
I
right.
just chopped that on my foot.
Yeah, seriously.
Okay, here we go. So one good thing about it being so cold is that the groceries, we did not have to use the power for the fridge. They are still ice cold. All right, I got the window down so I can keep an eye on the fire. Huh?
I thought you were talking to me. I realized now.
All right. Should I cook all the peppers?
Yeah,
Some of them? What do you think?
I'd say half.
I'll do some red, all the onions, and then some green. So I love me some onions. Some onions. Trying to save the world, here they come just in time. The Powerpuff Girls. Powerpuff. Oh, it's so cold. Okay, so I think it's sticking to the bottom and cooking too fast before the whole thing cooks. So I think I'm just gonna turn it into a scramble instead. Oh, the sun is out. Yeah. All right, breakfast time. Look good?
Looks amazing.
Cheers. Remember that video where the lady's trying to hand the lady a plate of like eggs at a buffet, and then the other lady grabs her plate and cheers it with her plate.
Yes.
She's like, "Girl, grab the eggs." It's like, I thought we was toasting the plates.
That was so funny and so relatable.
So really, I would have definitely.
Me too.
You don't grab these eggs, bro.
Awful. Oh my god. This is delicious.
I didn't have salt, so I used Caribbean jerk spice.
I like it.
Only the fire did better.
The fire just didn't want to do it today.
She didn't want to do it today. It was like, bro, it's cold.
They're like, what you mean I gotta start and maintain a fire?
I'm gonna keep y'all warm, but who gonna keep me warm?
Mm-hmm.
It's very cold. All right, guys, we just cleaned up everything, put the fire out. We're gonna be traveling together for a good few more days. So there's gonna be some more cool stuff to happen. Last night was just like, it's too cold to do anything. This morning's a bit too cold to do anything as well. But I think it's gonna warm up maybe a little bit where we're heading, and then we'll be heading towards colder temperatures after that. But yeah, we'll get into some cool stuff. And right now I'm gonna head to Walmart to return that heated blanket because that was a dud. Absolute dud. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a comment, leave a like, hype the video if you have the option, and I will see you guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. So until then, peace. Oh, there we go. Say bye, Bubby. Saying bye?
So cute.
Goodbye, everyone. Some room, give her room. I'll allow this lover, treat her kindly, but she needs you more than she loves you. I know it's over, still I blame. I don't know where else I can go.
The same resources and come to different points. Those who have read those resources or are interested in those resources and hear an opinion from one or the other, you know, they're easier to sway because they haven't reached their conclusion yet.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's just say, not a fan of the doctor. I'm a fan of
Not a fan of the doctor. Look at all this snow. I was just driving through it. I was like, I should be recording this. This is beautiful snow.
It is.